It's awful. Ew. Hey guys, we got a 16 draft jumbo for Haig. He's going bottom box. Good luck, buddy. Switch and get zoomed. Haig, just the good stuff out of this? ComC, no base, or you want it all? Let me know so I can sort while I break. Easy peasy. Yeah, you're good, Mike. I was thinking there was one other one, but it was Chad. Chad said he wanted a spot just to run it. Because he was going to sleep. Ryan Bolt, and I'm not going through all the paper. Good stuff in ComC, you got it. The awesomeness radiating from the box. Alright, Chromes, Tukey, Foley, Garrett, Harris, Noose. Alright, nothing ComCable yet. Base paper, no ink, and no color, and no good chromes. Alright, we got a Ronnie Dawson. Is it the numbered ones? Yeah, numbered 499. Jimenez Chrome, there's some ComC love. Sky Blue, Ian Anderson, and Cole Irvin Blue, 6 out of 150. Arroyo, Jackson, Dylan Cease, and paper. Spank the box. I've heard the spanking the box works. Yeah, I've heard stories. Tukey. Here's our first auto. DeJong, Gerber, Dylan Carlson is your first auto, Haig. Dylan Carlson. Jones and Clark. Gold, or is it one of those wacky inserts that looks like it's gold until you get up close? Yeah, it's one of those inserts. Greg Maddox, draft history. Then we have Gruyere and Chi Wee Hugh. Actually, that Hue refractor might be good for ComC. I've heard that Ron will spank the box if you ask him. Live on camera too. Second auto, Bobby Delbeck, solid ink. Little PC for you, Haig. Bobby Delbeck. Severin and Kyle Hart for the 2 refractors. Halfway through, we got 12 packs left. Jesus Luzardo, Frank Thomas, Fetty, and Caprielian refractors. Caprielian traded off to Prospect Deathland. Blue, Ian Anderson. 29 out of 150. Ian Anderson. Jersey hat. Chrome should be good. Riley. Corey Ray. Derek Fisher. Justice Sheffield. And paper. We got 4 packs left. 1 auto left for Haig. AJ Puck, Ailman, Corbin Burns. That's one I don't feel like I've seen before. Alright, that's gold. So we definitely have gold coming up here. Hap, Carter, ComC, AK, more ComC, Bo Bichette, and it's Stephen Alamé gold. No ink under it. 47 out of 50 on the Stephen Alamé. That's your last auto? Nope. Anthony Seymour and Nolan Martinez. 2 packs left. 1 graph. Another Jimenez. Buddy Reed. No Bo Bichette, bro. Buddy Reed. Got a PC Dalbec at least. And that is a refractor 232 out of 499 for the Padres, buddy. It's got the sweet shades. Meadows, Reynolds, base, paper, last pack, anything? Let's find out. Spinoza, Potts, there's a Devers. He's hot right now. Wentz, Keller, Cal, Birdie, Garrett, Kingery, boom, that's it. Alrighty then. Hey, thank you very much, my man. Let me save that. And